So what you do is when you pull the hammer back, so this gun's totally loaded, you have to push down the hammer before you even pull the trigger. And once you do that, it enables you to...
You're going to lock out both your arms. You're going to push with your right and pull with your left. Focus on that front sight tip. Now, if you want on this 44 Magnum, you can shoot it single action. Get a nice light trigger pull.
Did you mean to do that?
Yeah.
Oh, that was smart.
Wow.
So this is the kind of ammo it shoots, 12 gauge. This is a 12 gauge birdshot. Also, this weapon has this cool feature where you press the trigger down, and once you press this down and pull it up.
Not a lot of people know all the ins and outs about this pistol, and you know, we're gonna
50 Cent, Too Short, all of them talk about Glock 40. Okay, I'm the only one in this room professional enough that I know of to carry this Glock 40. I'm the only one.